In this video, we've compiled 15 incredible business machines that are transforming small spaces into smart, scalable businesses. Whether you're into woodworking, food processing, personal care packaging, or even self-service car washing, there's a machine on this list for you. So, if you're dreaming of launching a business with low investment but high returns, stay tuned, because one of these machines could be your next big break. Woodworking lathe machine. Imagine turning plain blocks of wood into high-value, beautifully carved products, all with the push of a button. That's exactly what this automatic CNC woodworking lathe lets you do. From stylish stair balusters and table legs to artistic columns and custom furniture parts, this machine transforms your ideas into reality with stunning precision. It handles turning, fluting, and cylinder engraving automatically, so you can create intricate wooden pieces faster and more consistently than ever before. With a customizable processing length of up to 1,500 millimeters, it's perfect for both compact workshops and growing businesses. Built with top-tier components like a powerful motor, high-performance bearings, and a smooth-running gearbox, it delivers professional-grade results every time. Whether you're crafting bespoke decor or launching a wood product line, this machine is your gateway to profitable, hands-on creativity. And the best part, it's available for just $7,500. Ice cream cone production line. This machine brings sweet potential to life. Perfectly crisp, customizable ice cream cones produced at industrial scale. Designed for both versatility and volume, the ice cream cone production line can create up to 6,000 standard cones per hour, meeting the high demand of ice cream brands, dessert chains, and commercial bakeries. At the core is a fully automatic cone making machine equipped with a customizable baking system. By simply switching out the forming molds, businesses can produce a wide variety of products such as classic round cones, waffle bowls, egg rolls, and even flat-bottom novelty shapes. The system allows for complete control over cone size, crispness, and thickness, adapting easily to different recipes or market preferences. Whether supplying artisanal gelateries or large-scale ice cream factories, this machine line delivers consistency, creativity, and efficiency in one powerful setup. Self-service car washing. A smart self-service car wash machine is a modern solution for those looking to start a low-cost car cleaning business with high customer convenience. This system empowers car owners to wash their vehicles on their own, using a clean and well-equipped washing station. Ideal for installation at fuel stations, parking lots, and busy urban corners, this setup is designed for 24/7 availability, making it extremely flexible for users who prefer washing their cars at any time of day. With minimal staff requirements and simple maintenance, this machine provides an efficient, clean, and satisfying user experience, all while reducing operational overhead for the business owner. The setup price is going up to $2,500. Another one is 360 degrees full automatic touchless car wash machine. For businesses seeking a more premium and fully automated car washing solution, the 360 degrees touchless car wash machine delivers an unmatched experience. Engineered for speed, efficiency, and performance, this system combines high-end mechanics and sleek aesthetics to stand out in commercial car wash operations. It eliminates the need for brushes, reducing any risk of surface damage, and uses rotating high-pressure nozzles to clean every inch of the vehicle with precision. Perfect for high-traffic areas like malls, dealerships, or large fuel stations, this machine attracts customers with its automated convenience and advanced features. From underbody cleaning to colorful foam application, it creates a professional-grade result while minimizing water and detergent waste. This advanced system suits mid to large-scale car wash businesses, with prices ranging from $9,800 to $17,800 or more, depending on configuration. Cosmetic tube packaging line. Meet the machine that brings your cosmetic brand to life, clean, compact, and professionally packaged. This automatic cosmetic tube packaging machine handles everything from filling and capping to labeling and boxing, all in one smooth cycle. Whether you're packaging skin creams, gels, or toothpaste, it operates at high speeds, up to 120 tubes per minute, while ensuring precise and hygienic output. Perfect for both emerging and established brands, this machine gives your products the polished, store-ready finish customers expect. Beyond standalone use, it can be integrated into a complete production line with injection blow molding, sealing, coating, and labeling machines, offering full-scale control from raw material to retail packaging. This level of automation not only boosts efficiency but also enhances product consistency and brand presentation. The price of this machine starts from around $10,000, with full-line systems requiring a higher investment. Automatic cup filling and sealing machine. Establish a production line focused on delivering ready-to-consume beverages and food products with consistent quality and professional presentation. This automatic machine is designed to fill and seal wide-mouth plastic cups with liquids such as milk, water, oil, juice, yogurt, pudding, jelly, and lactic acid drinks. Its operation includes an automated cup dropping system, precision filling, pre-cut film feeding, two-stage heat sealing, and automatic ejection of finished cups. Equipped with a PLC control system and a responsive touchscreen, it allows easy adjustment of settings like temperature, speed, and sealing strength, ensuring a high-quality seal and low failure rates. With a capacity of 3,200 cups per hour, it's a smart choice for food factories, beverage companies, and dairy producers aiming to scale up production. Using PE, PP, or PET PE films, it guarantees durability, freshness, and safety for various products. The investment for this machine ranges from $8,000 to $15,000, depending on the configuration. Packaging machine for home business. Start a small-scale packaging business from home with this versatile automatic packing machine designed for a wide variety of products. Whether you want to pack granules, powders, popcorn, potato chips, seeds, grains, or small hardware components, this machine provides a professional, efficient, and clean packaging solution. Built with a stainless steel body, it ensures durability, hygiene, and energy-saving performance, making it perfect for home or small commercial use. It supports multiple packaging types like bags, pouches, foil, and film, and functions include filling, labeling, sealing, slitting, and wrapping. With production capacities ranging from 8 to 25 bags per minute and intelligent control technology, it offers fully automatic, precise, and fast operations, ideal for beverage, chemical, commodity, food, and hardware applications. At just $399, this machine is an affordable gateway to starting your own profitable packaging venture. Automatic rigid box making. If you're planning to enter the luxury packaging industry, this machine offers one of the most advanced solutions available today. Specifically designed for the production of high-end packaging boxes, this intelligent machine is a game-changer for industries like jewelry, cosmetics, perfumes, electronics, confectionery, and more. It combines cutting-edge technology with robust build quality to ensure every box comes out flawlessly shaped, wrapped, and finished, all in a single seamless process. Equipped with a motion controller, robotic arm, camera positioning system, and an intuitive touch-based HMI, this machine guarantees precise gluing, folding, and alignment at high speed. With a production capacity of up to 30 boxes per minute, it's an excellent choice for businesses that need to produce high volumes of elegant and precisely formed boxes. Bugles processing machine. The processing machine is a specialized piece of food production equipment designed to create crispy, spiral-shaped snacks that are beloved by consumers of all ages. Using a combination of wheat flour, starch, and rice powder, this machine extrudes and shapes dough into the iconic horn-like form of bugles through a customizable mold system. The production line includes a shaping unit that can be adjusted to produce different snack shapes, enhancing product variety without the need for separate machines. Its consistent quality, attractive texture, and wide flavor compatibility, this machine a valuable asset for launching or scaling a snack food brand. The price for this high-productivity fried snack processing system starts at $12,000. Automatic carpet washing machine. In the cleaning industry, efficiency and quality are key, and this automatic carpet washing machine delivers both with precision. Designed for commercial use, this electric-powered machine uses a cold water cleaning process and features a compact yet powerful build. Equipped with 4 rotating brushes and a pneumatic pressure system, it ensures deep cleaning across the entire surface of the carpet. The spring-loaded system maintains even pressure, enhancing wash consistency no matter the carpet thickness. Additional components like the moving rinse water system, squeegee, and built-in carpet wrapping unit streamline the process from start to finish. Whether it's delicate rugs or heavy-duty floor coverings, this machine is engineered to handle all carpet types with care. For businesses in the laundry, hospitality, or facility management sectors, it's a reliable tool to scale operations while maintaining top-notch hygiene standards. The price of this machine ranges from $15,500 to $30,000. Ultrasonic plastic welding machine. This machine is versatile and opens up numerous business opportunities. It enables the production of not only gadget accessories, such as graded card slab cases, switch sockets, or charger covers, but also decorative items like labels, patches, and interior components. Utilizing ultrasonic vibrations, it welds plastic materials with high precision, no glue or screws required, resulting in a clean, seamless bond. Its customized molds allow it to adapt to a variety of products, making it valuable across multiple sectors. Whether you're working in the medical field creating mask components and filters, or in electronics assembling fan housings and earphone parts, this machine ensures fast, reliable, and strong joints. The ability to work with materials like PVC, ABS, and polypropylene expands its range even further, supporting mass production without sacrificing quality. The price of this machine starts from $800 and can go beyond $1,500 depending on configuration. Flatbed laminating machine. This machine allows you to streamline the sign-making process with precision and consistency. The flatbed laminating machine is perfect for applying cold or hot laminates to large prints, vinyl graphics, or rigid boards, helping you achieve bubble-free, high-quality results every time. It replaces tedious manual application methods with a smooth, pneumatically controlled roller system that automatically adjusts to your substrate's thickness. The self-healing cutting mat and integrated roll holder for pre-masking tape or laminate further enhance productivity, making this machine an essential addition for professional sign shops or print studios. The price for this cold and hot flatbed laminator starts at $3,500. Mini desktop CNC router. For makers, hobbyists, and small business owners, investing in a mini desktop CNC router opens the door to countless creative and commercial possibilities. This compact yet powerful machine is perfect for detailed milling and engraving work on materials like acrylic, aluminum, wood, EVA foam, and more. Whether you're producing custom signage, intricate wooden toys, Bakelite parts, or personalized decorative items, this CNC router provides the precision and control needed for professional-grade results, all from the convenience of your desk or small workshop. Its versatility makes it ideal for crafting unique products for online shops, local markets, or custom orders. You can even expand into offering custom engraving services for gifts or branding items. The price for a reliable mini desktop CNC router starts at just $1,000, making it an accessible tool for both creative and entrepreneurial endeavors. SemiAutomatic edging machine. If you're looking to enter the mattress manufacturing business or expand your production capabilities, the SemiAutomatic edging machine is a smart investment. This user-friendly machine is designed to handle the final and most visible part of mattress production, the tape edging. It neatly stitches the edges of mattress panels, sleeping bags, and even tents, giving them a clean and professional finish. With features like an advanced chain stitch head, auto-lifting work table, and manual tilting sewing head, it's built to make the process efficient and less physically demanding. It also offers variable speed control for smooth sewing and slows down automatically at corners to ensure perfect stitching every time. With low noise and stable performance, this machine is a reliable choice for any small to medium-sized bedding workshop. The price of this high-quality edging machine starts at $3,000. Mattress vacuum compression. If you're already using a tape edge sewing machine for mattress production, the next smart step is adding a mattress compression packing machine to complete your setup. This fully automatic system uses hydraulic pressure to compress and pack mattresses with ease, making storage and transportation far more efficient. Designed with a soft sponge layer on the pressing plate, it ensures that the mattress is well protected and doesn't get damaged during compression. The control panel is simple and easy to understand, so anyone can operate it without hassle. Especially useful for furniture makers and mattress factories, this machine helps reduce shipping volume and overall costs, making your business more competitive and streamlined. Automatic bottle capping machine. If you're looking to start a profitable small business from scratch, the bottle capping machine offers a powerful opportunity. With growing demand for bottled products like juices, oils, sanitizers, shampoos, and herbal tonics, many small producers struggle with hand capping, which is slow, inconsistent, and tiring. This machine changes that. It lets you cap 30 to 40 bottles per minute with perfect precision using a 4-wheel screw mechanism that fits caps ranging from 10 to 100 millimeters. That means you can take on bulk orders, offer contract capping services to local brands, or even launch your own line of packaged goods. From plastic to glass bottles, it handles various types and works across food, beverage, chemical, and cosmetic industries. With just one operator and minimal space, you can set this up at home or in a small workshop. At $5,000, it's an affordable step toward turning bottles into profits. Thanks for watching. If you found this machine idea useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more profitable tools and smart business ideas. Have questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep building, keep creating, and turn your ideas into income.